Okay guys, I'm Hot Coco VR, and then today we are gonna be doing, so happy 4th of July by the way. Anyways, so we're gonna be doing 6 stupid things. Don't try this at home. Okay, so the first stupid thing is the explosion with flares. So the firework explosion. So we're gonna need some people for this, so let's do this. Shoot the flares. Okay, bro, tag me. Okay, shoot the flares. Okay, the second one is a sticky dynamite trail with RPG ammo. So I have to save my hot cocoa cup before I die. I want to save my hot cocoa cup! Okay guys, so I didn't say my hot cocoa cup. But the next one I'm gonna be doing is like that, but it's different. A big trail of sticky dynamite. I gotta escape with fireworks at the end trying to kill me. Whoa, 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 whoa! Wait. Okay, so the next one is I gotta dive in to a pool with fireworks in the pool. Let's see how that goes. 3, 2, 1. Okay, the next one is the human firework. Let's do this. The last and final one for 4th of July is the fireworks show. 3, 2, 1, fireworks time! Happy 4th of July! Make sure to like and subscribe!